Right, I'm going to be making protein pancakes. Okay, we've got our frying pan here and our light olive oil cooking spray. That's just 1 calorie per spray. So I'm just going to grease the pan here. Carton of egg whites. You know I'm lazy, can't be bothered with eggs. That's just 2 egg whites worth I put in the blender. That's half a scoop of protein. And if you want to, you can always add stevia or cinnamon. So let's blend that up together nicely. Okay, all blended into the frying pan. Be careful not to spill any. Right, on the lid goes. Just gonna leave that for a few minutes. Check on that. Okay, let's get the spatula and we're gonna flip it over. Oh, perfect. That's nice and fluffy and golden brown. That's what we want. Let's cover it and leave it again. A few minutes later again. Right, there we go. Let's just use a spatula there. Make sure it's not stuck to the pan. It's not. Very good. Okay, onto it goes onto the plate. And there you have your protein pancake. That is light, fluffy, and surprisingly filling. Yes. That's the nutrition for the protein. It was half a scoop. That was for the 2 egg whites. So it's just under 20 grams of protein.